At this very moment, something is ghosting through you. It is passing through your eyes, through your heart, and through the brain you are using to understand these words. It is not an alien, and it is not a spirit. It is a real physical object, but it is a ghost to our classical laws of reality. Hello, and welcome to a journey that will twist your understanding of time, space, and existence. Today, we are exploring one of the most incredible paradoxes in modern physics. The story of a particle that should not exist on Earth. Yet it is all around us. The story of the muon, and the moment we realized the universe is much more flexible than we thought. For hundreds of years, we believed we understood the universe. We followed the rules of Isaac Newton. In Newton's world, space was a rigid stage, and time was an absolute clock that ticked the same for everyone, everywhere. A second was a second, and a meter was a meter. It was logical, it was safe, and it was entirely wrong. The universe decided to teach us humility using a subatomic particle called the muon. The muon is born from fire. High in our upper atmosphere, some 15 kilometers above our heads, the Earth is hit by cosmic rays from deep space. These are particles of incredible energy, born from distant supernovas and pulsars. When they collide with the air molecules in our atmosphere, they create a cascade of new particles. The muon is one of them. You can think of a muon as a cousin of the electron, but much heavier. And the critical thing about the muon is that it has a clock built inside of it. A stopwatch that starts the moment it is born. And that clock runs for a very, very short time. The muon is destined to die almost instantly. Its natural lifespan is only 2.2 microseconds. That is 0.00000022 seconds. It is a time so short that your brain cannot even begin to grasp its smallness. And here is where the problem begins. The muon is born traveling almost as fast as the speed of light itself, the fastest speed in the universe. It moves at 99.9% of the speed of light. That sounds fast. But if you take that speed and you multiply it by its tiny lifespan, you get a simple result. A muon should only be able to travel about 660 meters before it explodes and vanishes. Think about that number. A muon can only travel 660 meters, but it is born 15 kilometers up. It would have to travel 15,000 meters to reach the ground. Classically, this is impossible. It is like trying to cross the ocean with a cup of fuel. The muon should break apart high in the sky long before it has any chance of hitting a human body. And yet, in the 1930s, scientists built detectors, and they found that muons were reaching the ground in incredible numbers. In fact, right now, as you watch this, 100 muons are passing through every single square meter of your body every single second. They are here, they are real, and they defied the most fundamental rules of physics. How can a particle with only 600 meters worth of fuel travel 15 kilometers? This mystery had no answer in the old universe. We needed a new mind to see a new reality. We needed Albert Einstein. Einstein gave us the special theory of relativity, and it changed everything. He told us that time and space are not absolute. They are tied to your speed. When you move fast, very, very fast, the universe itself changes to adapt. This paradox is solved in two different ways, depending on whose perspective we choose. First, let us look at it from our perspective on Earth. We are standing still, watching the muon fly. Einstein tells us that because the muon is moving nearly at the speed of light, its time slows down relative to ours. This is called time dilation. To us, the muon's internal stopwatch is almost stopped. Its heart beats in ultra-slow motion. Its brief life of 2 microseconds stretches out. From our perspective, the muon has plenty of time. It lives for so long that traveling 15 kilometers is no longer impossible. It is easy. The mystery is solved for us, because the muon's time has dilated. But what about the muon's perspective? This is the most fascinating part. The muon doesn't feel like its time is slowed down. For the muon, its clock ticks normally, and its life is still only 2 microseconds long. How does it make the 15-kilometer journey? For the muon, the problem is not time, it is space. Because it is moving so fast, the universe itself compresses. This is called length contraction. As the muon looks at the Earth, the distance of 15 kilometers simply vanishes. It shrinks. For the muon, The atmosphere is only about 600 meters thick. It travels that distance with ease before it has to die. This is a profound breakthrough because it proves that there is no single objective reality for time and space. Reality depends on your velocity. The universe is not a rigid clockwork machine. It is a flexible, stretching, bending thing. Why is this an incredible breakthrough? Because it proves Einstein was right. And if Einstein was right, then the widest ideas in physics might be possible. Wormholes, warp drives, and time travel. But we do not need to wait for science fiction to use this knowledge. Today, muons are our spies. Because they can travel so deep into solid rock, we use them for Muon Tomography. It is like an X-ray, but for a whole mountain. In 2017, a team of international scientists used muon detectors outside the Great Pyramid of Giza. They let the muons pass through the pyramid for months. By counting how many muons were absorbed by the stone and how many passed through without stopping, they created a 3D image of the pyramid's interior. And they found it. A void. A secret, massive, hidden chamber inside the Great Pyramid that had been sealed for 4,500 years. The muon, the ghost particle, had revealed the secret of a king. Today, muons are used to look inside active volcanoes, revealing magma chambers before they erupt. They are used to inspect nuclear reactors for damage. This particle, that should not even reach us, is now a tool for saving lives and revealing history. It is a beautiful reminder that the most fundamental and solid parts of our world, the rocks, the pyramids, the ground itself, are all relative. Everything is built on space and time are built on a dance of light and motion. The muon is a ghost, but it is a ghost that sings the song of relativity. It is proof that we are connected to the cosmos, and that the cosmos itself is a flexible, stretching, and living thing. Thank you for spending this time with me, exploring the invisible forces that shape our world. If you found this journey into the subatomic world fascinating, please subscribe to the channel right now. We are a community of curious minds, and we would love for you to join us. Please give this video a like and share it with someone who also asks the big questions. And leave a comment below. If you could have a superpower, would you choose invisible sight like a muon can, or the ability to twist time like the muon itself? I would love to read your thoughts. Also, do not forget to click the notification bell so you never miss another discovery. Every subscriber helps me continue this mission to bring you the stories of our universe. Take a moment tonight to stand outside and look up. Thousands of cosmic ghosts are passing through you at this very moment. They are carrying the messages of supernovas and the rules of Albert Einstein. We live in a truly wonderful and twisted reality. See you in the next one.